When Foodie first arrived in Kuwait in November 2022, she and Salah lived in Salmiya. They then moved to Faha Hill, the apartment we know best, and just yesterday, she unveiled a new abode in Mangaf. Well, that is, if you believe Twitter. If we zoom in, we can see that it seems like a nice enough town, with lots of restaurants, close to her old digs in Faha Hill, and there's plenty of fast food all around. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the apartment, and I'll drop in some comments via text. Just for fun, I'll embed some video of the old apartments so you can see how much of an upgrade this is. Let's get to!
Because we are getting ready to move into our new beachside condo here in Kuwait. Yalla, let's go check it out.
Hi.
Hi, baby.
Hello. Welcome to our new apartment.
Yalla.
There's a doorbell. Oops. Bismillah. Okay, babe, come on in.
Wow.
Surprise.
Wow. Beach view. We can cross the road and go to the beach. You can smell the sea air coming in. Ah. Nice. Let there be light. Here's our master. So our bedroom has another sea view and windows that open. As Salah will demonstrate. Oh, wow. That's gonna be so nice in the morning, huh, baby?
Yeah. Imagine when you wake up
Gorgeous.
directly on the ocean view.
Yes.
That would be amazing.
Hi. So we have 2 bathrooms, 2 bedrooms in this place. Toilet with a bidet and a bathtub. Hey there.
Hi, baby.
I love when we have our own bathroom in our room.
I love the bathtub with bubbles.
Yes, we'll be going to Lush for some bubble bath.
Ta-da!
A huge kitchen. A big kitchen.
With too many cabinets.
We can put everything in here.
Yeah.
Nice.
Also, there's a water point here if you want to install the filter, you know?
Nice.
We're gonna bring the filter here.
Yeah, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Washer dryer will go here.
Yeah, washer, dryer.
Mm-hmm.
The cooking range will be here. The fridge here.
Okay.
We'll arrange it.
Yeah, we'll do it after.
Yeah, the window with the fan.
Nice, for cooking.
The second bathroom.
Nice, has a separate shower.
Yeah.
Wow.
With a big window, but this one is not in the sea view.
Yeah, it's on the street.
Yeah, only this.
The lighting. But we plan on making this room a content room. Like a spare room for us to put things in, film.
Exactly, yeah. For mukbang, for a gaming section. New apartment for us.
I cannot wait. We're moving today.
And here the control panel.
And it's central air based, so this is the thermostat for the central air.
Yeah. We keep it now for 17. Okay. 117.
Nice.
There's also something called intercom.
Okay, so while Salah is mansplaining how an intercom works, I thought I'd just take a moment to thank you all for watching. I know you're probably seeing these clips circulating a lot, but my biggest takeaway from this is, you guys, she's not wearing an abaya. Drop me a line in the comments and let me know what you think. Could this be the start of a new arc with clothes from the Western world? I'd love to hear from you.